These doors just closed on the most famous train in Korean cinema. Most travelers think getting from Seoul to Busan is just a boring transfer between two big cities, a means to an end. But here's what they're missing. This 2-hour ride is one of the most meaningful cultural experiences in all of Korea. And it carried a film to nearly $100 million and over 10 million viewers. In the next 3 minutes, I'll take you through the exact route of train to Busan, the real stations, the real train, and the real city waiting at the end of the line. Let's board. Let's start with the train itself. The KTX launched in 2004. But there's the twist. Just over a century earlier, in 1899, Korea's very first train crawled along at 20 kilometers per hour. When the KTX hit the rails at 300 kilometers per hour, plus, it wasn't just an upgrade, it became a national symbol of Korea's breathtaking leap into the future. And in 2024, Korea unveiled its newest bullet train, the KTX-Cheongryong, racing from Seoul to Busan in as little as 2 hours and 15 minutes at 320 kilometers per hour. Free Wi-Fi, snack cars, panoramic windows. But the real magic isn't the speed. It's what you see slow down outside your window. Cities melting into rice fields, then mountains, then the sea. Now for the heart of it all, Seoul Station, where the legend begins. In 2016, director Yeon Sang-ho turned this everyday hub into the launchpad of Korea's first blockbuster zombie thriller. Train to Busan premiered at the Cannes Film Festival. It became the first Korean movie of the year to top 10 million viewers, grossing nearly $100 million worldwide. Therefore, the platform where Gong Yoo's character boarded with his daughter is now a pilgrimage site for fans. Look up while you're here. The restored old station, Culture Station Seoul 284, stands right beside the modern terminal. Past and future, shoulder to shoulder. And the stops you'll pass on the way? Daejeon and Dongdaegu both appear in the film. You're not just riding a train, you're tracing a cinematic legend, one station at a time. The doors open onto Busan. In the film, it was the last sanctuary. But in reality, it's Korea's beloved coastal city and home to Asia's premier film event, the Busan International Film Festival. Therefore, the KTX didn't just shorten the distance, it transformed a faraway city into a weekend dream for millions. Here, cinema lives in the streets. The Busan Cinema Center, crowned by the largest cantilevered roof on Earth, the rainbow alleys of Gamcheon Culture Village, and the clifftop lanes of Huinnyeoul Culture Village. So cinematic it appeared in The Attorney and the global hit drama The King, Eternal Monarch. You arrived by the train that connected a nation and stepped into the city where Korea celebrates its stories. So here's the takeaway. In Korea, the journey is the destination. 2 hours, one country unfolding outside your window, 0 zombies required.